Today we are learn about paraffin wax bath. Now we are going to explain introduction. Paraffin wax bath is a superficial heating modality. The temperature of the paraffin wax is maintained at 40 to 44 degrees Celsius, whereas its melting point is 51 to 55 degrees Celsius. Paraffin wax bath contains a paraffin wax and mineral oil mixture in 6 is to 1 or 7 is to 1 ratio with some petroleum jelly for lubricating purpose. We are going to explain the technique of application. First, we are start with preparation of the patient. In this, the nature of wax treatment is explained and the area to be treated is inspected for contraindication. The most important contraindication that needs mandatory checking include the testing of sensitivity of the skin to heat and cold, which is done by the therapist taking two test tubes, one containing warm water at 40 to 45 degrees Celsius and the other containing cold water at 10 to 50 degrees Celsius. The tubes are applied randomly to the body part to be treated to find out the sensitivity to heat and cold. After testing the skin, the next step is to wash the part and to make it dry thoroughly to prevent water from entering the wax bath. The jewelry from the part should be removed. The patient is positioned comfortably so that the appropriate method can easily be followed. We are start with preparation of apparatus. The apparatus is connected to the power plug and the thermostat is fixed to maintain the temperature between 42 to 52 degrees Celsius. Now we explain the method of application of wax bath. There are four methods of wax bath. First is dipping method, second is brushing method, third is pouring method, and fourth is wrapping method. Now we are showing the dipping method. This method is commonly followed for the distal parts of the extremities, such as the hands and feet. In this method, the part is immersed for a second or so in the wax and then is withdrawn and allowed to cool for 2 or 3 seconds and then re-immersed. This procedure is repeated 6 to 12 times. After 50 to 20 minutes of solidification of the wax is removed and put inside the tank for reuse. This is the video of brushing method. We are explain the brushing method with example of heel pain. The part cannot be deep inside the tank. Then brushing method will use 8 to 10 coats of wax are applied to heel with a paintbrush. After 50 to 20 minutes, wax is removed and put inside the tank. Now we are showing the pouring method. The molten wax is directly poured by a mug on the part to be treated. 4 to 6 layers can be made over the body tissues. After 50 to 20 minutes, the wax is removed and put inside the tank for reuse. Now we are showing the wrapping method. In this method, towel or a roll of bandage is immersed in a molten paraffin wax and wrapped around the body part. Additional wax can also be brushed over the bandage. After 50 minutes, the bandages of wax are removed and the wax is separated into the tank. Now we explain the process of purification of wax bath. After use, the wax need to be purified periodically by transferring it into a purifier before it is reused. The technique of purification can be the container with the wax is added with water and the mixture is heated till the wax is melted. After melting of wax, the mixture is left undisturbed and allowed to cool gradually. After cooling, it will be found that The dirty materials have been deposited at the bottom the container, whereas the wax has solidified at the top layer. With proper care, the pure wax is removed into the wax tank, leaving the dirty material in the purifier. Indication of paraffin wax bath: pain, joint stiffness, chronic inflammation, arthritic condition, post-immobilization stiffness. Contraindication of paraffin wax bath: open wound, skin infection, defective skin sensation, ischemic condition, skin allergy. Danger of paraffin wax bath: burn, aggravation of inflammation, allergic reaction. Reference: Basant Kumar Nanda. Thank you.